The biggest disadvantage of oily skin is that it can clog pores, which often results in acne, makes your face look shiny. Some say that oil gives skin a beautiful, natural glow, but it often goes beyond the glow, and may appear shiny and greasy, makes it harder to skip a wash. Today in this video, I will share face pack for oily skin. To make DIY face pack, you will need: add 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a bowl. Next, add ½ tablespoon of cocoa butter. Mix it well, and your DIY face pack is ready. Apply all over your face, and leave it for night. Wash it off next morning. It helps to hydrate the skin, thus keeping it soft and supple. It gets easily absorbed by the skin, helps to reduce scars and blemishes.